In prime-time news this evening, a Prime Minister defends his administration's stewardship of the economy. We want justice. Residents of one St. Andrew community cry for help as they face eviction. And Manchester boy fighting for his future a year after being shot in his community. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. We're live both on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I am Javon Keys. Also this evening, the business day, the financial week, sports commentary, E-Prime and weather. But before the break, the feedback question. This evening we're asking, what more do you think can be done to help squatters become landowners? Share your comments online at facebook.com/televisionjamaica and tweet us at televisionjam1. Please stay with us. The Primetime News package continues right after the break.